very good morning to everyone.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, Miss.
Welcome to Brain Mumbai Municipal Corporation Online Education. English medium. So, which class is this?
Fifth class.
Very good. And what is today's date?
21.
22.
21st December 2021. What is today's date?
20.
Tuesday. And our subject is today's subject English. Okay. Before going to topic, I will introduce myself. So myself, Smita Himchandra Jadhav from MPS Dharavi Kala Killa. Our administrative officer is Mrs. Snehalata Dumbre. Nodal beat officer Mr. Sharat Surade sir. Nodal HM Miss Mary Pushpam Paul. Assistant Nodal HM Mrs. Manpreet Kaur Anand, and our CNO Mr. Ratilal Kisan Burungle. Okay. So,
Okay.
let's see thought for the day. So, what is the thought of the day?
Everything is easy if you are crazy. Nothing will be easy if you are lazy.
Of you left.
Lazy. Everything is easy if you are crazy, and nothing will be easy if you are lazy.
Yes, Miss.
If you have a tendency, if you have a passion, if you have an interest of doing any work, it may be a small work, it may be a hard work, whether it is related to your studies, whether
Some properties or some tax
work, talking to your friend, your family member, then you have that habit to try each and everything, then everything is you never give up. But if you have not, if you are not having a tendency, if your mind setup is let it be, I will not do, I don't want to do it, then a easy thing will be what it will be. It will feel like very hard, and you will be give up. You will have that habit of giving up. So everyone should have the habit of doing everything. Okay, so if you do everything proper manner, let it be. It is not in a proper manner, but if you try to do it, then everything is easy. And if you don't try, then it will be hard and you are lazy. So all you students are lazy. Are you lazy?
Yes. Yes, teacher. Yes.
Are you active or lazy? All should be active. Don't be lazy. Okay.
Yes.
Now,
Yes, Miss.
picture. Identify the picture. What do you see in this?
Lion.
Okay, this is
Lion.
lion. And who is this? Lioness. Lioness. Okay. Identify this picture.
Boy.
Boy. And this second one?
Girl.
Girl. So boy and girl.
Brother.
Brother,
Sister. And
sister.
sister.
Very good. Brother.
And
King.
queen.
Yes.
Bull. Cow.
Yes. Bull.
Cow.
Bull.
Cow.
Lioness. Okay.
Lion.
Girl.
Boy. Girl.
Brother. Sister.
Sister.
Then king.
King. Queen.
Bull.
Bull. Cow.
Okay. So what are they? King, queen. What comes to your mind? brother, sister, boy, girl. How you
Genders.
have identified that this is boy, this is girl? Okay. How you have identified?
This is genders.
Yes, very good. Because we all know about the gender. So today's topic is gender.
Gender.
Today we will learn about gender. So what is the gender?
The
The
fact of beginning
male or
male
female
or female or
or particular
particular classes
classes,
into which nouns,
nouns,
pronouns, and
and
adjective
adjectives.
are divided now as gender. Gender has same relation to nouns.
Yes. So gender means when group or the two peoples are sorted through male or female. They are in the particular class of male and female comes with into nouns and pronouns and adjectives. That is known as the gender. Okay.
Okay, miss.
So what again from the gender indicates whether a person or an animal is male or female. You
Female. Definitional. The word
by
gender is originated from Latin genus, which means kind or sort.
yes, when you see a person or a person and you identify or sort out whether by seeing it or looking it whether he is a male or a female. Okay, that indicates
Okay, miss.
gender. Now this gender word, the word gender, where it has came, yeah, where it has been originated. It is originated from the Latin word genus. Okay, genus, which means kind or sort, sorting the things. Okay, so gender had came from the Latin word genus. So now we will see gender and its type. So do you know what are the types of the gender? Okay, so there are the 4 types of gender. First one is masculine gender. Second one is feminine gender. Third one is common gender. And fourth one is neuter gender. Okay, so now we will see one by one. And first you will come a raw idea of what are these types. Okay, so now can you tell me which picture is this? Hello.
Girl and boy.
Yes, girl.
Girl,
Now this
girl, boy, student, stable.
students not able.
And table.
Yes. And what is this? And. Okay, so now in this picture, you can see a girl, boy. Now here, only boys are there.
Yes, miss.
Whether only boys are there in this group?
No,
No.
girls are there.
See a girl and boy. So it is a group. Okay.
Yes.
Group. So it is called a student. And here, table and ant. Okay. So girl. Girl means which gender? In which gender girl? Means feminine gender.
Feminine gender.
The girl indicates or denotes the feminine gender. Okay. Boy. The boy
Masculine gender.
and denotes the masculine gender.
Yes.
Okay. And next, student. It is a common. It is the common
Girls
student
and
have
boys mix.
both
So
girls.
common gender.
It is common. It is common gender. Okay. And the
Okay,
table.
miss.
Table. The table is a
Okay, teacher.
neuter gender.
Neuter gender.
Okay. So now
Okay.
we will Give one by
Neutral
one.
gender.
Yes. Now the gender of the noun. So here two genders are given. So which is this one? First one,
Masculine gender.
masculine gender. And which is the second one?
Feminine gender.
Feminine gender. So in English,
Feline
noun
gender.
masculine, that is boy, father,
Masculine.
Actor.
or feminine, girl, mother, or actress.
Actress.
Okay, so the word which knows, which promotes about the boy, it is masculine, and the word which tells about, indicates about, denotes about female, it is feminine. Okay,
Okay, miss.
okay. Now, can you see this picture?
Yes.
Which is the first picture?
Grandfather.
Grandfather. Very good. Which is the second one?
Father.
Father. Third one?
Son.
Son. Next, fourth
Grandma.
one?
Grandmother.
Grandmother. Then fifth one?
Mother.
Mother. And last one?
Daughter.
Daughter. Very good. So, it is kind of family. In our family also we have mother, father, yes or no? Grandmother,
Yes.
grandfather. Yes. So, here also it is a family. So, now can you tell me which are the masculine gender?
Father. Grandfather. Father. Son. Masculine gender. Grandmother. Mother. Daughter. Feminine gender. Feminine gender.
And which is the feminine gender?
Grandmother. Mother. Daughter.
Very good. Grandmother, mother, and daughter. So, in this family, there are grandfather and grandmother, father and mother, son and daughter. Okay. So, grandfather, father, and son are from the he group. Now, he group means what? He is what? It is the pronoun. Okay. For the male, for the boy. So, it is called a he
They.
group. And we call the noun in this group masculine. Okay. When the person are from he group, it is known as a masculine gender. But the grandmother, mother, and daughter are from the she group. Whenever there is a girl, we tell
He
she.
means boy and she means girls.
Yes,
He
he
means
Boy.
te,
and
to.
she
She
girl.
means te.
Yes. So we call the noun in this group feminine. Okay. So this
Yes.
child, that is father is a I am masculine and the mother is saying I am feminine. Okay. So here are
Yes.
some more. Here masculine gender and here feminine gender.
Feminine gender.
Yes, teacher.
Boy, if the boy is
Boy.
masculine gender,
Feminine
and
gender.
feminine, what will come?
Girl.
Girl. Very good.
Feminine gender.
Brother. What will be the opposite gender of brother?
Sister.
Sister. Very good. What will be the opposite gender of sir?
Madam.
Madam. And what will be the opposite gender of man?
Woman.
Yes. Now, you may know that each gender has its opposite gender. Yes, mostly in masculine and
Yes.
feminine. Okay. Here, boy, girl, brother,
Brother. Sister.
sir,
Sir. Madam.
man,
Ma'am.
woman.
Madam.
Sir,
Oh,
ma'am.
sorry, woman.
Yes,
Sir,
Man, woman.
madam, woman.
yes. Now we will now see
Masculine.
masculine gender. What is the definition or what it says?
Masculine gender.
A noun that denotes the male sex
Male
is
sex is said to be of the masculine gender. For example, man, actor, king, brother, uncle.
yes. So when the noun denotes about the male, it is said to be a masculine gender. For example, man, actor,
Actor, king,
or
brother,
uncle.
uncle.
Okay. So now here are the examples of masculine gender. Now first we will read the
Horse,
noun or pronoun that denotes
pronoun
the
that
male
is
person or
personal
animal
animal
is called
is
masculine
called
gender.
masculine gender. Yes,
Okay. In
yes,
animal also we can see the masculine and feminine gender. Same way
yes.
human being. So here the both examples are given of animal also and persons also. Now first
Persons,
one,
horse,
horse. Second one,
king,
third,
monk,
yes. Fourth,
bull,
bullock.
bullock,
Fifth,
ram,
sixth,
ram, tailor,
seven,
wizard,
and last,
drone.
yes. So these are the names of a masculine gender which denotes, promotes the male side. Okay. So now we will see feminine gender.
Feminine gender
Okay. So what is the feminine gender? A noun that
that
denotes
is
a
of
female
female sex is said to be
of
of
the
the feminine gender.
feminine gender, which
For
tells
example,
about that it is female, that is feminine gender. Okay. For
okay,
example,
woman, actress, king, sister, aunt.
yes, woman, actress, queen, sister, aunt. Whenever this word comes, you will sort it out that it is feminine gender. Okay.
Yes, miss.
Next example, the noun or pronoun that denotes only a female person or animal is called female gender, which denotes about the female person or animal is called a female gender. That
Female gender.
is feminine gender. Okay. So same way, animals also have the feminine gender. So here first one you can see what is this?
Hen.
And next,
Mother and daughter.
yes, next,
Girl.
yes, next,
Queen.
queen, next,
Woman.
next,
Grandmother.
next,
Woman.
yes, woman. So we can see mother and daughter, girl, queen, woman, grandmother, and woman. Okay, these are the some examples of the feminine gender. Next, you can see other examples also. What is
Yes.
this?
Queen.
Queen. Next,
Nun.
next,
Witch.
witch. Next,
Witch. Eve.
Eve. Next,
Nanny goat.
next,
Bee.
bee. Next,
Sow.
so. Next,
So. Seamstress. Seamstress.
seamstress.
Seamstress.
Okay, these are the other some examples. Queen, nun, witch,
So bee.
Eve, nanny goat, bee, so, seamstress. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Now, here are the other examples of masculine and feminine. Okay. Here, one side the male gender is given, and the other side the
Female gender.
gender is given, that is feminine. So, first one is priest.
Masculine. Priest.
Priest. Then the gender of priest, priestess.
Priestess.
Second one is
Prophet.
what will be the gender of prophet, prophetess.
Okay.
Okay.
Patrol.
Next is
Patrol.
patron. What will be the opposite
Patron.
gender of Patron?
Patroness.
Yes, patroness. Next one is host. So what
Whisket.
will be the opposite gender of host?
Whisketness.
Hostess.
Whisketness.
Goodness.
Whisketness.
Host, hostess. Next,
Sto-
viscount.
Starward.
The opposite gender of viscount is
Stewardess.
so what is
Hair.
the stewardess?
Hairness.
Hair, hairess.
Fairness.
Road, baroness. Stewardess. Abort,
Abortness.
emperor,
Tailor.
emperor,
Actress.
traitoress, poet, poetess, benefactor, benefactress, queen, Ceylon, Ram, kiwi, fox, sen, tiger, tigress,
D.
buck, dove,
D.
goat, so.
So.
Okay, so these are
Okay.
the masculine and feminine gender. Okay, so
Okay,
now
miss.
masculine and feminine gender for animals. Now in in human beings, you all know that boy, girl, father, mother, grandfather,
Yes.
grandmother, uncle, aunt. Okay,
Auntie.
you know this thing. But there is the gender for animals also. Okay, now which is this category? Which is this animal?
Ram. Eve.
That is the
Eve.
gender. But which is this inside? Which animal do you know?
Sheep.
Yes, it is the sheep. Okay, but sheep also have the gender, and the sheep's male masculine gender is known as Ram, and feminine gender
Feminine gender.
is Eve.
Eve.
Okay, Ram,
Yes.
Eve. Now next, which is this animal?
Cat.
Cat. Very good. This is cat. But the masculine gender of cat is called Tom, and the
Tom.
feminine is called
Feminine gender is called queen.
yes, Tom, Queen. Okay. Which animal is this?
Deer.
Deer. So masculine buck and feminine deer. Okay. Same way. What is this?
Dove.
Duck. Drake and duck. Male, female. Okay. Masculine duck and female duck. Now
Dog.
dog. Very good. So the male, masculine gender is dog and female
Female. British.
bitch. Now same way, which animal is
Tiger.
this?
Lion.
Tiger. So
Tiger.
Lion.
means female. Now what is this?
Hen.
Hen. So the
Hen.
feminine gender, female gender is known as hen.
Rooster.
Male gender, masculine gender is
Hen.
rooster. Rooster.
Okay. Male gender is rooster and female gender is hen.
Yes, very good. Now next. Here, what are they?
Cow.
Cow. So bull. Bull is masculine gender and cow is the
Feminine gender.
Okay. So you have known about the masculine and feminine gender for animals. We only know the deer, cat, sheep, dog, tiger, but we don't know the gender of the animals.
Animals. Yes.
So now you have to know. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now again,
Yes.
there are some examples of animals. So here, horse,
Mare.
Dog, bitch.
Bitch.
Tomcat, tabby cat.
Tabby cat.
Lion, lioness.
Lioness.
Snake, duck.
Duck.
Tiger,
Tiger.
tigress.
Tigress.
Rooster,
Rooster. Hen.
hen. Swine,
Swine.
sow.
Sow.
Bull,
Bull.
cow.
Cow. Yes,
Now,
miss.
male gender here.
Yes.
This is the male gender here.
Horse is male gender and Mare female gender. Mary
Yes,
female gender.
yes, very good. Now, which is the male gender here?
Swine is male gender and so is female gender.
Very good. And
So is male
yes, so is female and swine. And which is the male gender here?
lion.
Yes, very good.
Lion.
Now we will move towards common
Common.
gender. Now, what is the common gender?
All girls, boys, all.
For male or female sex
Sex is said to be of the common gender.
common gender. So it may be the
Common
group
gender.
of both male and female. Like for example, friends. Female is the
Friends,
group of
students,
friends, including
parent,
boys and girls. Both.
personal,
So it is friend. Then
cousin,
student, parent, person, cousin, baby.
baby.
So these are the nouns. These words are nouns. So it may indicate the male or female. So that's why it is called a common gender. So we will see next. Common gender nouns are nouns that are used for both male and female. Okay. So the common gender noun, this noun are used for both the male and female, both girl and boy. So here, which is the first example here?
Friends,
And next, what is?
parent,
Okay, very good. So friend, it may be a girl or a boy, and parents have mother and
mother
father.
and father.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So that's why it
Mother
is
and father.
so now see the noun that denotes both a male and female
Male and
person
female
or
is
animal
called or animal
is called
is
common gender.
called common gender.
Okay,
Yes,
it is
miss.
also animal. It is for animal also. So the noun which denotes both the male and female, that is common gender. So now see, here common gender will be child.
Child.
So child, why the word child is a common gender? Because child doesn't sort out that whether it is a male child or a female
And
child.
female child.
Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Common word, child. It doesn't execute us about a male or a female child. Next, ship. It doesn't tell us that whether it is a Ram or Eve.
Eve.
Yes or no? So it is
Yes.
a common
Yes.
gender.
Common gender.
Student.
Common gender. Student.
When the word comes student, student doesn't tell us that whether the student is a girl or a boy. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
That's why this word is a common gender. Spouse.
Spouse.
It doesn't tell us whether it is a man or woman. That's why this word is a common gender.
Yes. Friend.
Now the word friend. Friend doesn't indicate or doesn't tell us that whether your friend is a male friend or a female friend. Yes or no? So
Yes.
the word child, ship, spouse, friend, these are common gender. Okay.
Okay, miss.
So see, here are few examples more.
Doctor.
Doctor,
Doctors. Dancers. dancers,
Next.
hairdressers,
Yes.
scientists,
Yes.
scientists,
Now doctors,
Doctors,
dancers, hairdressers.
hairdressers,
dancers,
scientists.
hairdressers,
These are the common
scientists,
gender. When someone tells about the doctor, then whether you know whether it is a male doctor or a
Boys
female,
are
by
male
the
doctor and
by the word doctor, you can't know whether it is a male doctor or whether it is a female doctor. Yes or no? Way by the word dancer. By the word dancer, can you know whether in that group it is a male dancer or a female dancer? No.
no,
Yes or no?
no,
Hairdresser. It is a
yes,
common word for the male and female hairdresser. Scientist. It is a common word for the male scientist and a female scientist. Same way doctors also and same way dancers also. Okay.
yes, hairdressers also and scientists also.
Yes. Now last gender.
Neuter gender.
Yes. Neuter gender.
On
So
neuter gender,
on neuter gender, male
maleness and
female
femaleness does
apply.
not apply.
These
There
are
are these
neither
are
male.
neither male nor female like book, table, pen, gold, school, and rock. These are usually on living thing.
Okay. On neuter gender, maleness and femaleness doesn't apply. These are neither male nor female, like books, table, pen, gold,
Gold,
stool,
school.
and rock. These are usually non-living things. Okay. So now in neuter gender, words which are neuter gender, they are in on that the maleness and femaleness are not applied. We can't identify whether they are male or female. Okay. So
Okay, miss.
there is a light hint, a simple thing that they are usually non-living things. All non-living things that comes under neuter gender. Okay. Now here the examples are given: book, table, pen, gold,
Pen, gold, school,
rock.
and rock.
So they are non-living things. So na living things and non-living things.
Yes.
Neuter gender, that gender, they are non-living things. Okay. So
Okay.
neuter gender nouns are
Are
words
words for things that are not alive.
alive.
Sorry,
The
I love
things which are not alive, means
alive.
they can't talk, they can't breathe, they can't move from one place to other place. So they are non-living things. The things which are not alive called neuter nouns.
नहीं इसमें
First
नहीं
example,
Table,
table. So table is
book,
a living or non-living thing?
non-living thing,
Very good, non-living thing. Second one is,
book,
third one is
lorry,
lorry. Fourth one is,
ring,
yes. So this table, book, lorry
lorry, ring.
are
lorry
non-living things. They are
ring
not alive. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Now some other
yes okay
examples.
teacher
Neuter gender. What is this?
Chair,
Next.
beauty gender
table,
Next.
mobile,
Next.
table
book,
Next.
almirah,
Almirah.
almirah,
Next.
chain.
Chair. So chair, table, mobile, book, almirah,
table book
pen. So are they living things or non-living things?
Non-living things.
Yes. So they are non-living things. Means they are neuter gender.
non-living thing
Yes, they are neuter gender. Next examples of neuter gender. First one is
Castle.
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 Next.
Boat.
Next.
Car.
Next.
Hat.
Next.
House.
Next.
Table.
Okay. So castle, boat, car, hat, house, table. Now these are living things or non-living things?
Non-living things.
Yes, they are non-living things. So they are neuter gender. Yes or no? And you have
Yes.
seen this example. They can't identify or they are not sorted by male or female. Yes or no?
Yes.
So here, once again, you will see about the neuter gender and a common gender. So a noun that denotes a lifeless thing is called neuter gender. So the noun which tells about the lifeless things which are not alive, they are non-living things, neuter gender. Example, first one
Pen.
is
Man. Book. Pencil. House. Watch.
yes. So pen, book, pencil, house, watch.
Watch.
Are non-living things. They are lifeless things. They are not alive. That is why they are neuter gender. Next, a noun that denotes both males and females is called
It's
a
called
common gender.
common gender.
Okay, so the noun that denotes, that tells about both male and female. We can't say that it is only female or it is only male. That is common gender. For example, first one,
Baby.
baby. The baby word is used for both male and
And
female.
female.
Baby boy and a baby girl.
Yes. Dancer.
Dancer. So the dancer word is used for a girl dancer also and a boy dancer
Boy
also.
also.
Next,
Doctor.
doctor. The word doctor is used for a female doctor also and a male doctor also. Okay. So that's why it is a doctor. Next,
Parents.
parents. The word parent is used for both mommy and a papa. Yes or no? Mother and
Yes.
father. Next,
Engineer.
yes, engineer. The word engineer replicates both male
And female.
female engineer. Yeah, boy
Yes.
engineer or a girl engineer. Okay.
Yes.
So here we will see now both masculine, feminine,
Common. Neuter.
and neuter. Some examples of masculine and its opposite feminine, then common and neuter. Okay. So first
Yes.
one,
King.
what is the opposite of king?
Queen.
Queen. Very good. What is this first one?
Boy.
Boy. So what will be the opposite of boy?
Girl.
Girl. Very good. What is this one?
Father.
Father. What will be the opposite of father?
Mother.
Mother. Very good. So what is this one? Lion. So what will be the opposite word of lion? Lioness. Dog and monk. Okay. Same way in feminine, bride, cat and nun. Next, in common, we can see doctor, cousin, daughter. And in neuter gender, you can see pen, computer, chair, sun, ocean. Okay. So these are the example of masculine. These are the feminine. These are the common. And these are the neuter. Next, masculine and feminine. Boy, girl, brother, sister, father, mother, uncle, aunt, husband, wife, nephew, nice.
Lakshmi Mishra.
Papa, mama.
Mama.
Can I say Subhash?
Vixen.
Cock.
Cock, hen. Dog,
Bull. Cow. Gender.
cow. Gander,
Gender, ghost.
stag,
Stag,
king.
hill.
Ram,
Ram,
Eve.
Eve.
Sir,
Sir,
madam.
madam.
Earl,
Peter,
countless. Countless.
Sir, madam. Yellow consonant.
Lord, lady.
Earl, countess. Lord, lady.
Gentleman, lady.
Man,
Man.
woman. Cold,
Man, woman. Call,
Fly.
monk, nun.
None.
Okay, so here some words are given of masculine and its opposite gender feminine. Now here again they had given the masculine, feminine.
neutral.
So boy,
Girl,
father,
child,
wife,
mother,
mother, husband, wife,
wife, man, woman,
son,
sir, madam,
son,
daughter,
uncle,
uncle,
aunt.
aunt,
So the common name of the boy and girl is a child.
child,
Common noun of the father and mother is a parent.
parent. The common
Of the husband and wife is a spouse.
spouse.
And
The common
common gender of man and woman is a
person.
okay.
Yes.
So now valuation time. Let's try tell the gender of noun.
Okay.
So boy. What will be the opposite gender of boy?
Feminine. Girl.
Boy, joy.
What is the opposite gender of tiger?
Tigress.
Brother,
Daughter.
brother,
Sister.
lion,
Lioness.
king,
Queen.
father,
Mother.
prince,
Princess.
cow,
Bull.
bull, man,
Woman.
grandmother.
Grandfather.
Very good, very good. So here again, choose the gender group for each noun.
Okay.
Noun is a
Feminine.
line feminine.
Feminine. Neuter.
Neuter. Student.
Common.
Lion.
Masculine. Duck. Neuter. No. Female. Common.
No. Feminine.
Feminine.
Yes. Right.
Feminine.
Yes. Now here you have to drag to match the opposite gender for each noun. Here nouns are given. You have to tell me the opposite gender. Prince. Prince.
Sister.
Prince.
Princess.
Yes. Nice.
Nice.
Nephew. See here. Nephew.
Yes, nephew.
Stallion. What is
Stallion.
the opposite?
Mare.
Mare. What is the opposite gender for landlady?
Landlord.
What is the opposite gender of actor?
Actor. Actress.
Actress. What will be the male gender of goose?
Window.
Goose.
Gender.
Gander. What is the opposite gender for widower?
Window.
What is the opposite gender of sister?
Brother.
Yes. Very good. I hope you may have understood the gender now. Yes, masculine gender, feminine gender,
Yes, I understand.
neuter gender. Okay. So, very good, children. This is your homework. You have to do this homework. Okay.
Yes.
Fill in the
Blank male and the female form of each animal.
Okay. So, chicken, you have to write the male gender. What is the chicken and the female? For example, one I will show you. Chicken, male will be rooster and female will be hen.
Hen.
Okay. Same way, you have to find out the others also. And some examples are done in this section also. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Nice.
Thank you, miss. I take it screenshot. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.
Same to you.
Stay home, stay safe, miss.
Yes, you also stay safe and stay home. Okay. Thank
Yes,
you.
miss.